We're on your side tonight on how to protect your data online.
In May, all computer systems went down at St. Mary's Medical Center after a cyber attack.
CBS 13's Sam DeCoste joins us now live from St. Mary's in Lewiston. Sam, we're learning patient data was in fact compromised there.
Well, according to a spokesperson with Covenant Health, that there was a unauthorized third party that was able to obtain access to hospital patient data. And experts say that hospitals are one of the most targeted businesses across the country for cyber attacks.
No one thought health data was valuable to an identity criminal. Well, in fact, it is. It's very valuable.
The Identity Theft Resource Center provides free assistance to identity crime victims in the U.S. President James E. Lee says many victims come from hacks in healthcare because of how much personal data hospitals have, and he says they're historically weaker digital security systems.
The bad guys look for those weak links, and that's one of the reasons why we see the kind of attacks we have seen in healthcare.
The Covenant Health Network has hospitals in Lewiston, Bangor, as well as Nashua, New Hampshire. Officials say addresses, birthdays, medical records, social security numbers, and health information for patients at each location may have been seen by a hacker. The breach happened on May 18th, but Covenant Health wasn't alert to it until the 26th, 8 days later. We sent them some follow-up questions, including why it took so long to notice the attack. They didn't specifically answer the question, but did say they immediately launched a recovery effort. But Lee says it's common for an attack to go unnoticed for weeks, months, or even more than a year.
It takes even longer usually to find out how it happened. So we oftentimes see a big delay between when a cyber attack results in a data breach and then when that data breach actually results in some kind of a notice to the people who are impacted by it.
There are a few ways you can protect your data if there's a cyber attack. Lee says you can freeze your credit, create unique passwords for every account you have, and ask how the companies you work with keep your information secure.
So it is important we get more comfortable in asking people, what do you do to keep us safe? And if you don't like the answer, take your business someplace else.
In a statement sent to 13 News, a Covenant Health spokesperson said in part, quote, Covenant Health takes the security of patient data seriously and regrets this incident. We have implemented additional administrative and technical safeguards to further secure our environment and help prevent something like this from happening again, end quote. It's unclear how many patients could have been impacted. That was another one of my follow-up questions. But Covenant Health says they're still investigating how many patients could have been impacted. There could be more than they already have uncovered, and they're working to get those answers. Now, if you are a patient here at St. Mary's or one of the other two hospitals, they are advising you to review your health insurance plan statements, and if you have any charges to services you did not receive, contact them immediately. Live in Lewiston, Sam DeCoste, CBS 13 News.
All right, Sam, thank you for the information.